Hi guys, welcome back to Camille's Corner. So, y'all, I want to talk about the Australian wildfires and the celebrities who have been donating to help out in that situation. It's really sad and it's really interesting because a lot of celebrities have been tweeting about it, and they've been tweeting about their donations and making videos and stuff to raise awareness. But I want to talk particularly about Kim Kardashian and her family. Because y'all, Kim got dragged on Twitter earlier because people felt like she's rich enough to donate. She comes from one of the richest families in entertainment, but they hadn't heard anything about her donating. So people started dragging her. But before I get into that, if y'all don't know, there have been some really crazy, deadly fires just raging across Australia, and it's probably the worst in history. About 25 people have died already, and millions of animals have been burned to death, and people have lost their homes. The last I checked, I think they said 1,500 homes have been destroyed, and this has been going on for months. And now news reports are saying that a large part of the country is covered in smoke. So can you all imagine people with asthma and respiratory illnesses and stuff having to cope with that? It's hell. It's literally what I imagine hell to be like. So a lot of celebrities have taken notice of this situation, and they've been pledging their support and donating to help pay volunteers and firefighters and stuff, and just to help out with the relief efforts. And a lot of celebrities have really stepped up. Nicole Kidman donated $500,000, Selena Gomez and Pink also donated, Chris Hemsworth donated $1 million, and he made a video encouraging people to donate. Check it out.
Hey there guys, as you're well aware, the bushfires in Australia have caused massive devastation. They continue to burn, there's warmer weather on its way, we're really still in the thick of it here, there's plenty of challenging times ahead and still to come. So what we need is your support and your donations. I'm going to put forward $1 million, and I was hoping that all of you could contribute in any way, shape or form. Every dollar counts. That money goes directly to the firefighters, the people on the front lines, the people who have suffered, the communities that have taken a hit, and who are in desperate need of our support. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's sent all their well wishes and donations already. It's greatly appreciated here in Australia. But dig deep, lots of love, and we'll keep pushing forward. Cheers.
Also, celebrities like Russell Crowe and Kate Blanchett, they've been using their voices to urge people to donate and just show support. But in the middle of all of that, y'all, the Kardashians had been relatively silent, and a lot of people were upset about it because this is arguably the world's most famous family. I mean, Kylie Jenner was just recently named the world's youngest self-made billionaire. These people have like an entertainment and fashion empire. They're not just rich, they're rich, rich. So people were questioning why they haven't donated. So a few days ago, Kim tweeted saying climate change is real. And people figured that was her response to the whole wildfire situation. And y'all, people started going in on her under that post. And they were calling her a hypocrite, saying that she's talking about climate change, but she's not contributing anything financially to actually help. Y'all, Kim got dragged, okay? Check out some of the things people were tweeting at her. And y'all, I get where people were coming from because, I mean, when you're that rich, and especially when we're seeing all your celebrity friends, they're donating and they're not even as rich as you, of course it's gonna look bad if you don't donate too. But Kim actually responded, and she basically said that she and her family had donated, and she was upset that people were acting like the Kardashians have to publicize everything they do. And Khloe actually responded as well, and she said they did donate basically, but they just didn't see the need to publicize their donation and make a whole spectacle out of it. So long story short, they said they donated, but they just didn't feel the need to make it public. But my thing is, you can never really win as a celebrity when it comes to charity, because if you don't publicize your donations, people are just going to assume that you didn't donate anything. But if you do announce that you donated to something, they're gonna drag you anyway and say you only did it for attention or you only did it for a tax write-off or whatever. And in this situation, to me, Kim got a lot of backlash because people just don't like her family. They hate the way that family got famous. I feel like a lot of people just feel like the Kardashians don't deserve their fame. And I think a lot of it has to do with envy. But whatever that family does, they're gonna get hate. I mean, if Kim had tweeted like all the other celebrities about the amount she donated to Australia, people still would have dragged her. Yo, they would have said, why are you bragging about donating? Or if you really did it to help, then you wouldn't be posting about it. So it really is a damned if you do, damned if you don't situation for her. She just can't win. She would have gotten dragged either way because people just don't like her. But Pink and Chris Hemsworth and Selena Gomez and all the other celebrities, they got praised for their donations. It's the same thing I was talking about a few weeks ago, y'all, with Cardi B and Nicki Minaj, okay? When Nicki Minaj announced on Twitter that she was helping flood victims in Trinidad, people praised her for that. Nobody was like, oh, if you were really genuine, you wouldn't have publicized it. When she was tweeting about paying her fans student loans and stuff, people wrote whole long articles praising her and how generous she was. But when Cardi B donated to an orphanage in Nigeria, everybody was like, oh, she only did that for attention. Oh, she only did that for a tax write-off. And when she bought toys for kids for Christmas, everybody was like, well, she didn't have to publicize her charity. So it says to me that people pick and choose whose charity to praise based on who they like. And I just think that's crazy because charity is charity. And the people who are receiving it, they don't care who it came from or what their reasons are. They're getting the help that they need, and that's what matters. I mean, y'all, be realistic here, okay? Do you really think that somebody who's living near the fire line in Australia, do you think they care that the firefighters were paid with money donated by Kim Kardashian? Like, do you think these people care if Kim donated genuinely or if she did it for attention or whatever? Yo, I really don't think if somebody's getting financial help to rebuild their home that burnt down, they're not gonna be like, I hope Kim didn't give me this money for attention. Can you imagine? Y'all, please, okay? People who are suffering, they don't care where relief comes from or who donated it or what their motives are, okay? And I know this firsthand, okay, y'all? Because I told y'all before, I grew up really poor. I was raised by my grandmother. My dad died when I was 3, and my mother, well, she just didn't like children, okay? I don't know why she had any, because she abandoned all of us soon after. So my grandmother raised me and my 2 sisters and a cousin. All of us, she raised us since we were like really, really young, and she did it all by herself. And it was a struggle for her, okay? Sometimes I don't even know how I survived my childhood. But there were times when we didn't have anything to eat and we had to rely on the kindness of people from our church or from strangers. So you think when I got a hot meal, I was wondering if that person only helped me for attention? No, bitch, I was hungry, so I ate that shit. I didn't give a fuck where it came from. Personally, y'all, I think all celebrities should publicize their donations because we make these people rich. We do. Us regular folk, we watch their shows and we buy their products and we support them. Without us, they wouldn't be rich. So their money is our money, okay? Yes, bitch, Kim's money is my money too. That's how I see it. And I want to see some of my money that I gave to her going back into communities or being used for something worthwhile. And, you know, it's easy to say then we should stop supporting celebrities and stop making them rich and let's all just take our money and pool it together to help people who really need it. And I absolutely agree with that. But the thing is, you need an overwhelming majority of people to agree with that in order to make a real change. So until that happens, we made these people rich and famous. So we have a right to want to see them use some of that fame and money and pay it forward. And the only way to know that is if they show it to us. And I'm not saying donate all your money to charity, okay? Like, you can go splurge on Chanel toilet paper or Fendi shoelaces or whatever these rich people buy. But at least have the decency to recognize that if it wasn't for the support of regular people, you wouldn't be able to afford those things. So the least you can do is give a little back to people when they need it. And we need to see these acts of charity to know that it's happening. Y'all, and I'm not saying go pose for photos in the middle of these wildfires with the victims, okay? Because you don't have to humiliate people to show your charity. That's the thing I don't like. When I see celebrities posing for photos with people they've donated to, I'm like, unless the person wanted to do that, we don't need to see that. You don't need to go shoving your cameras in the face of somebody who's already suffering. You could do something as simple as what Pink did or what Nicole Kidman did. Just send out a simple tweet saying that you donated to this cause and why you think this cause is important and encouraging other people to support it too. I need to see that, and I think the world needs to see that there are rich people who are not selfish and they do give back. I don't think that's showing off or being boastful, okay? I think that's being accountable to the people who made you rich in the first place. You're actually showing us that some of our money went towards something worthwhile. And I keep saying our money, and I know people are going to side-eye me for that, but y'all don't get it twisted, okay? When a celebrity donates to charity, it's like we all donated because, bitch, that's our money. I don't care what y'all say. If you bought a Kylie lip kit, then you helped to make her rich. And y'all, whenever this family launches a new product or whatever, it sells out within hours because y'all rush to buy it. I really don't understand it, and I personally never bought any of their stuff. It's just too pricey for me, and I feel like I can get the same quality with cheaper brands. You're basically just paying for their name. So I never felt the need to buy any of their products, but I have watched their show. Okay, and if you've watched their show, you also help to get them where they are because you contribute to their ratings. You help to keep them on the air. So you enable them to make all that money that they're making. So yes, that's your money too, and some of it just went to help people in Australia who need it. I really think it's sad that the Kardashians donated privately, but then they were forced to defend themselves and publicize that they actually did donate. I mean, if they wanted to keep it private, then they should have kept it private. But then this narrative would continue to spread that they didn't donate at all. So I understand why they spoke up, but like I said personally, y'all, I think all celebrities should let us know about their charitable acts because we need to see that we didn't just support these people so they can buy purses and shoes and shit. We need to see them in a less superficial light sometimes. I mean, a regular, everyday person like me donating to charity, that's a completely different thing. You don't need to publicize that. But celebrities are already in the public eye and they're scrutinized far more and their every move is criticized. So I think they need to let people know about the causes they support and donate to. Not every little thing. Like if you paid off a fan's student loans or you helped a single mother with groceries, we don't absolutely need to know about that. That's personal. And unless the person wants it publicized, we don't need to know. But something as big as this, y'all, we're talking about wildfires that have caused so much devastation and a whole country is in need of help. That's something you publicize. I mean, people need to see that the most wealthy and powerful people among us, they're doing something other than just going on vacations and drinking champagne and rubbing their wealth in our faces. We need to see that they can step up when necessary. So I do think it was unfortunate that Kim got bullied into revealing her donation, but I don't think it needed to be kept a secret anyway. And that's my thing with Kim's response, y'all. That part where she said people think her family has to publicize everything they do. No, people don't think y'all need to publicize everything. Y'all already publicize everything. Okay, y'all are on a reality show and y'all make a living showing people every single thing about your lives. Like, y'all showed us Chloe getting her coochie waxed for God's sake. Y'all show us every crack and crevice of your body. Y'all show us all your relationship issues and shit. Y'all are literally famous for publicizing your entire lives. But then you get mad that people want to know if you donated. If people expect y'all to publicize everything, it's only because that's what y'all do anyway. Okay, y'all publicize shit nobody even wants to know. But something as big as this and something as important as helping people who are suffering, now y'all choose to be private?
Really, bitch? Really?
Now, somebody who actually did deserve to get dragged in this situation was Kylie Jenner, because y'all, I don't know what that girl was even thinking, okay? So she posted something saying that she was heartbroken that so many animals died in the wildfires, okay? She said it just broke her heart. So you would swear that she's this huge animal lover, right? But a few minutes after she posted that, she posted a photo of her feet in her Louis Vuitton mink slippers, like real mink, y'all. So Twitter started dragging her, and they were saying, like, how are you going to be sad for all the animals that died in the Australian fires, but you're wearing a dead animal on your feet? Like, make it make sense. And y'all, I can't even be mad at this dragging, okay? Because I really don't know what she was thinking posting that. Like, don't you have any common sense? Like, she had to have known that she was going to be dragged for that. You literally just posted about animals dying, breaking your heart and all of that. But 5 minutes later, you're showing off your fur slippers that an animal died for you to have.
That's so hypocritical.
Anyway, so Kylie also donated $1 million to the Australian relief effort, so at least she helped in some way, okay? Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Do you think celebrities should publicize their charity? And do you think they should let us know about some of the good things they're doing? Or do you think that charity should always be private? Let me know in the comments. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.